Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, I am going to explain or I am going to write a simple program using the list methods or functions. Because in my previous video, I explained about lot of list methods available to the list, such as like we can perform or we can add a new item to the list, we can remove the items from the list, we can check the existence from the list, we can sort the items, and we can copy the list. Let's get into the demo. The example program which I took is like I want to remove a duplicate from the list. For that, I already created a file called list method example dot the extension py. I'm declaring a list called numbers. I'm just adding some random numbers, a bunch of numbers with duplicate in it, like 5, 6, 5, 6, like 8, 4, 3, 4, 2. So here it will have like a lot of duplicates over here. I want to remove the duplicate from the list. For that, what I can do is like I'm just declaring another variable called without duplicate underscore numbers. I'm just declaring another variable with the empty list. Okay. Now what I have to do is like I want to iterate each each item from the list. For that, I am going to use for loop. For I'm just make use of the loop variable number in numbers. That's it. And I make use of in operator. I'm just checking whether that particular number on each iteration, the particular number is available there or not. If it is there, I will be going out of the loop. If it is there, means I'm just appending over here by using this list methods or functions. Just checking like what I'm doing is like if number not in without duplicate numbers. If it is not there, I'm just appending over here without duplicate numbers dot append. Append is the method or function for the list that going to add in the inside the new item in the list. I'm just adding this number. That's it. And I'm just going to print this variable without duplicate numbers. That's it. Now if I run this program, means let's see what will happen. See here, now my duplicates all are removed. Here in this method, I'm just use the for loop and use the in operator, and also like make use of the list method or function which is append that will insert the item to the list. So if you have any doubts on implementing this, just add in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thank you all for watching my videos. Have a good day.